In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Arzopa portable monitor to iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of the model or generation of iPad that you have, you can connect and use your Arzopa monitor. To do this, you need to establish a connection using the appropriate cables. So, first, plug it into the Arzopa monitor using a USB-C to USB-C cable. In this example here, it's showing a mobile phone, but of course, it's going to work flawlessly with an iPad as well. So, plug one end of a USB-C to USB-C cable into the Arzopa monitor, like this. There are going to be multiple USB-C ports available, and the other end goes into your iPad. There is no secret to this. If your iPad doesn't have a USB-C port, then you will most likely have to use an adapter to make sure that it is provided with one. After that, you need to provide the monitor with power. This will be done with this USB-A to USB-C cable. So one end of this cable, namely the USB-C end, goes into the Arzopa monitor, so find another suitable USB-C port and plug it in, and the other end goes into any power source. This can be a power bank, a power brick, power supply, whatever you have. Just make sure that it is providing the necessary amount of power of 5 volts, 3 amps, or above for it to function. If you are unsure of the necessary power thresholds, check the manual for your particular Arzopa monitor model. And as long as you have the USB-C cable connected alongside the power source, you will be good to go. The image is going to appear, it is going to power on, and you are ready to use your Arzopa portable monitor. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.